आज बीएनएस वर्सेस आईपीसी डायरेक्टरी के इस अंक में मैं सड़क दुर्घटना संबंधी अपराध के आईपीसी के धाराओं को बीएनएस के धाराओं से सबसे पहले कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ। Section 279 of IPC has been replaced by Section 281 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. 337 of IPC has been replaced by Section 125 capital A of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Section 338 of IPC has been replaced by Section 125 capital B of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Section 304A of IPC has been replaced by Section 106 subsection 1 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. 427 of IPC has been replaced by Section 324 subsection 5 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Section 429 of IPC has been replaced by Section 325 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Now the crime related theft. 379 of IPC has been replaced by Section 303 subsection 2 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. A new section has been added in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, that is 304 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. 380 of IPC has been replaced by Section 305 small a of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Now there are 4 new sections which has been added in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. They are 305A of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, 305C of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, 305D of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, 305E of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. आज बीएनएस वर्सेस आईपीसी पॉकेट डायरेक्टरी में इतना ही। अब कल कुछ बचे हुए सेक्शन को आईपीसी से बीएनएस के लिए कंपेयर करूंगा। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।